Hi friends, today we're doing 5 most effective exercises for your abs. Do this every day for 2 weeks and you will see the difference. Now smash that like button for me, subscribe down below and share this workout with your friends. Let's go! We are going to start with the classic crunch. So lay down on your mat, put your hands behind your head, exhale and do your crunch. Crunch and hold. From the top of the crunch position, engage your core and hold. You should feel the burn, but I know you can do it. Now it's time for reverse crunch. Put your hands behind your glutes, exhale, straighten your legs and lift them up. If you prefer, you can also alternate your legs but keep them low. Downward dog to plank. Stand on all fours, lift those glutes up, exhale and move to plank position. Slowly return to downward dog. You are doing awesome! Last exercise is planking. Get into a plank position, engage your core, align your glutes, core and shoulder into a straight line. Now you're almost there. You can do it. did it! Yay! You're amazing! Don't forget to smash the like button and comment down below. I see you guys very soon. Bye!